Daddy, thank you very much. Even I had the possible I'm here today, and by the grace of God, we were happy because a lot of people who watched my video yesterday when I made it that we are in South Africa, we are in Cape Town. You know, people are happy, and Pine Leaf Estates and Properties is here to stay.
Yes, sir.
Pine Leaf Estates and Properties is that answer to the call of Igbo development.
Yeah.
And our people are, in fact, answering that clarion call. You know, back at home, for that you say, but coming out here in Cape Town, now the landscape, now the ambience of the environment, how serene it is, and everything.
That's the beauty.
Exactly. Only morale to go back home.
And put in place what we saw.
Exactly. So, Kedi, what is the experience so far?
The experience is good. I've learned that South Africa, they care more about the environment than the structures. The difference between South Africans and Nigeria is that a Nigerian man will spend 100 million to build a house and drive through a rough road home. But a South African man may use 50 million to build a house and put the other 50 million to have a neat road. Good road to the house. So if we began to care more about the environment, then we'll have a beautiful city. The environment is the key. You don't have to show the structure. Because if you look at the structures, you understand we have better structures. But then they have better environment. Okay. And it's the environment that makes a city beautiful.
Exactly.
Not the houses.
Exactly.
If Onitsha had better environment, it would be difficult to see any city that would be more beautiful than Onitsha, having those 4-story buildings. But because the environment is a mess, then people now see the 4-story building as a mistake or a bad structure. But if those 4-story buildings, the owners can paint it well, and then the environment can be kept neat and clean, it will be a city to visit.
Exactly.
So that's what I learned here.
Okay.
And I also learned their attitude of respecting rules, irrespective of who is there or not. They love to respect their laws, whether there is a policeman around or not. So they've learned courtesy. Is in them that this is how to do things, and you should do it right. It doesn't need anybody to force you to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So going back home from here now, what are we expecting differently in Pine Leaf Estates and Properties based on what we have learned?
We will do more of the road constructions in our estate than the usual perimeter fencing.
Okay.
More of the road construction. We can just start the building of houses and road construction first. We will give more attention to the environment.
Okay, environment.
So starting maybe an estate, you have to drive from the express to the estate. We'll give attention, making sure that the way the route you're going to take from that express to the estate will be tarred.
Okay.
These are the things that makes up a city. So hence the environment is neat. Forget about the structure. The structures will come by itself.
So Umi Badhum, this is His Grace Archbishop Dr. Onyeka Nzekwesi, the CEO Pine Leaf Estates and Properties, the man who has made it possible for over 30 people, 30 individuals to be present here in South Africa, expense paid trip to South Africa here to learn what is different. How does South Africa do it differently from what we do? And that is him here speaking earnestly that Umuibu, the Igbo land where the Igbo land, that is the south and the southeastern part of Nigeria, what they are expecting, what we are to see moving from here forward is that a developed Igbo is possible if we can pick a team or two from the already working system of South Africa. because I've been through the streets since I came here. I mean, I had to go down to the street and see that a lot of Umuibu are here. It's not that they cannot come home, but the environment here has kept them here enjoying themselves. Yeah, kudos to the South African government and kudos to the South African citizens for really making sure that the environment is clean. And we are taking this back home in order to help Umuibu. When they remember home, they will come home. When they remember home, they will want to book a flight and come back and, re-establish over there. This is from Pine Estates and Properties, and I am Chukwemeka Ojemba Ndibu. Anyanwụ nke Igbo niile ido Igbo ka udo na-achị n'ala Igbo. Ise Agụrụ na-ahazi ala Igbo. Exactly. Ụmụ Igbo, over from here.
And don't we put our man at South Africa for the pine leaf.
Exactly.
Ayaka Bebe's week, in fact, Ayazuro. We are more than 30 something, but we're not enough for that. Ayamolomo was another trip. I would also keep it South Africa, both in investment and in support.
Wow.
South Africa.
Oh no, Ndi South Africa. I need a loan. Thank you and God bless. Yeah.